In our previous session, we had introduced the zero investment innovative idea of children's market. Therefore, as informed, let's begin implementing this innovative idea today through an inquiry-based approach to build the name of the lesson. But before we begin, let's ensure we arrange and keep some materials ready with us which we will be using throughout various activities. We will need some used paper, empty wrappers or packaging, and empty bottles. In addition to these, we will need to make some fake currency notes of different denominations from paper. That is, we will need to make 20 of 100 rupees notes, 50 of 10 rupees notes, and 30 of 5 rupees notes. Now that we have everything ready, let's begin. To lead our students to the theme of the lesson, that is the word junk, we will first place all the items such as the used paper, empty wrappers and bottles on the table. Then we will ask our students some leading questions based on these items. Let's begin by asking, do you know what these items are? The students may respond by saying waste materials, garbage, scrap, junk, and so on. Then ask the students, what other things can be classified as junk items which you may have observed at your homes? Accept all possible responses. Continue to ask, where else can you find junk items? As the students think about possible responses, it will aid in developing their critical thinking skills. The students may respond by saying that junk items can be found on the road, in a dustbin, or with a kabadi wala. Then ask the students, do you know who sells junk items? Allow the students to respond. The students may use their own dialect to describe the person who collects and sells junk items. We will then conclude by informing the students that a junk seller sells as well as buys discarded or waste objects. And thus, the name of our lesson is The Junk Seller. Tune into our next video where we will begin explaining the concepts of the lesson by implementing the innovative idea of children's market.